Greetings and salutations. My name is Tish. Welcome to Artist Haven, where home plus art equals heart. In today's video, I am going to do my best doing a double cup pour with these. They are the lid to core water. So let's get down to it. Thanks for joining me. I'm Tish, and I am the artisan and owner at Happenstance Furniture and Sundries. HFS is the sponsor of Artist Haven, where we work to create a community for artists from all walks of life and medium formats to come together in creative endeavors and community support. All right, let's try this. Now, I'm going to do a 2-in-1 here. We're going to try putting the color inside this and the black on the outside. And then I'm going to put the color on the outside on this one and the black on the inside on this one. So, we're going to kind of do a double doozy. Alright, so let's start with the black. I'll give this a stir. Now these colors are mixed with Flowtron water to get consistency. And what I have here is the Artist Loft Black. That's okay, we're going to put a base coat down anyway. And then I have Artist Loft Emerald Green, which is right here. Okay, that's good enough. Oh, I like that. It has little compartments in there, so if you're really good at pouring out of a cup, you could try putting them all in one compartment. And then this is the Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. And then this is my own custom blend of purple. I used Artist Loft colors to mix this purple. Okay, and then this is my own custom pink that I did. All right, so now we're going to pour over the top of this with black. And I'm just going to pour it down the side here until it covers the top. There. I think I'm going to put a little bit more purple in this one too. Now that we got those done, I'm going to put these to the side. And I'm going to go grab my other canvas. I'm going to do this and put the black layer. Grab my glove because I've used all kinds of tools. This is the best tool ever, is just your hand. Now that shenanigans is over, I got paint on my arm. I don't know how I did that, but we're just gonna go with it. Okay, we're gonna wipe the glove off in here because there's a lot of paint on my hand. So, okay, wipe my arm off. There we go. Okay, so now that we got those two done, we're ready to go. Let's torch them real quick. Okay, there's that. So let's try just doing this. Okay, flip that up over there. And then we're going to do the same thing to this one. Just kind of a modified tree ring pour, because it doesn't pour real nicely. Oh, maybe if I pinch it a little bit. Let's try it. Okay, I'm going to flip this one up over there. Okay, and let's torch these real quick. Okay, I think my table is not quite as level this way, because it's all pour. I did kind of pour it on this side though, so let's see what happens. I'm going to put gloves on for this. Okay, I am going to move the black out of the way. I'm going to move this over here and let that kind of just chill. To be honest with you, I think that's all I'm going to do with this one. I'm going to wipe off the drippies. Oh. Take a little bit of black from this guy. Right there. Okay. Let's turn this one. I'm going to wipe off the drippies. I've found that if you do that, if you wipe off the major drips, that it doesn't drip as much after that. Have any plain black? There we go. Get that corner fixed. Same with this one. I think that's good. Alright, this one I'm probably not going to do a lot of with it either, because that looks really cool just the way it is. So we're just going to kind of even out the paint. Alright, I like that just the way it is. Just like that. So, let's wipe off the drippies. That corner is just being kind of obtuse and not doing what I want it to do. So, I'm going to take some of this and actually put it there. Okay, that looks a lot better. All right, I think I got all the drippies. There we go. All right, I'm gonna set this down. Get the corners real quick. We'll go set my timer for 20 minutes and come back in 20 minutes. Welcome back. It's been about 20 minutes and I just wanted to do a close-up picture of these two. Let's start with the one on the left and just kind of do a close-up picture so you can see all those lovely cells. Some of them got a little stretched, but I kind of think that adds to the effect that I was going for. I apologize for the glaring of the light. Okay. And then we'll go over to this one, and this one's my favorite of the two. I love the multi-layers in the cell. Again, the glare from the other light. Sorry, it's either I have light or I have too much light. I can't find that happy medium. See, I love that right there. Right there in the middle. Love that. This is an experiment of the double cup pour with using Astroglide personal lubricant as my silicone. If you found value in this video, please smash that like button. And if you like this video and would like to see more like it, please hit that subscribe button and click that little notifications bell so you can be notified when we add new content or go live on our channel. Intellectual inquiry for today. What's your favorite sci-fi movie? Thanks for joining me. Peace, love, and happiness.